In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a PDF file on your mobile phone. Creating a PDF on your phone is actually very simple once you know where to look and what options you have. Whether you want to save notes, share a document, or turn photos into a single file, learning this skill will make handling documents on the go much easier. First, unlock your phone and decide what you want to turn into a PDF. This could be a photo, a screenshot, a web page, or even a document from an app like Notes or your file manager. The exact menus may look a little different depending on your phone and apps, but the overall process is very similar. Let's start with something common, like turning a photo into a PDF. Open your Gallery app and tap on the photo you want. Now look for the share icon, usually shown as 3 dots connected by lines or a box with an arrow. Tap Share. In the Share menu, scroll through the options and look for something like Print, Save as PDF, or Export as PDF. If you see Print, tap that first. On the Print Preview screen, instead of choosing a physical printer, open the Printer drop-down and select Save as PDF. Then confirm by tapping the Save button, usually shown as a PDF icon or a small download symbol. Choose where to save the file, give it a clear name, and tap Save. Your image is now a PDF. You can follow almost the same steps for a web page. Open your browser, go to the page you want, then open the menu, usually 3 dots in the corner. Choose Share, then find Print or Save as PDF. Again, switch the printer to Save as PDF, check the preview, and then save it to your files. On many phones, you can also create a PDF from a Notes app or file manager. Open the document, tap the menu or Share button, and look for Export or Share as PDF. If your app supports it, it will generate the PDF directly without going through the print option. Once your PDF is saved, open your file manager or Downloads folder to check it. Tap the file to make sure it opens correctly and everything looks good. That's all you need to start creating PDFs on your mobile. With these steps, you can quickly convert photos, web pages, and documents into easy-to-share PDF files right from your phone.